So he's explaining in these two verses, it takes one in his commentary in verse 21, these 14 steps. The first step is Satam Kripa, mercy of devotees. That's in the previous verse. You get their mercy by serving them. The second step is Mahat Seva. And the proof that you got their mercy is that they let you do service. You get to do service. One service is to hear Hari Katha from them, or to wash their plates, like Narada Muni washed their plates and cleaned up after them during Chaturmasya. So that was their seva, Mahat Seva. And then the combination of their mercy and their seva, one gets Shraddha. So first, Satam Kripa, mercy of devotees and service to them, this increases our Sukriti, our punya. As our punya increases more and more, then our faith in devotees increases and our faith in God increases. Then the next thing is Guru Padashraya. So first is Shraddha, because Bhakti begins with Shraddha, it says in Nectar Devotional Do, Shraddha Tata Sarvasanga. And then Sarvasanga. So Sarvasanga really means Guru Sangha, because Guru is the ultimate sadhu. Oftentimes it says Sarvasanga, Sharva Sastra Hoy, Lavamatra Sarvasanga, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. Then one gets all perfection by associating with sadhu. That means by Guru. Hearing from Guru, serving Guru, Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru, really. Otherwise there's so many sadhus. Because if you just go to some class and hear from some saintly person, then he's a Shiksha Guru. So sadhu really means Guru in this case. So he says his first step is Satam Kripa, second step is Mat Sevam. That's all punya, Bhakti Umukhi Sukriti. Then the third step is Shraddha, and that's the beginning of Bhakti. Shraddha is the basis of Bhakti. Faith. Faith in Guru, and more importantly, faith in Shastra. Because before Guru comes and Krishna comes, Shastra comes. If we have no faith in Shastra, then we can't go forward to Guru or Krishna. Because going to Guru and Krishna means receiving Shastra from Guru, and when one receives and understands and realizes Shastra, then he realizes Krishna. So it's so important to gain faith in Shastra, Shastriya, Shraddha. So that's the third step, Shraddha. Then the fourth step is Guru Padashraya. Our faith will increase so much that we want to take shelter at the Guru's feet. And then Bhajanesha Spriha, eagerness to worship Krishna. And this is told in this verse, Shrinvatam Swakata Krishna. That one starts hearing about Shrinvatam Swakata Krishna, Krishna Katha. He starts hearing it and relishing it, and he starts getting purified. And that's called bhajan, bhajana kriya. That's step number 5. There's 14 steps. And then the 6th step is bhakti. Bhakti means bhajana kriya. This 5th and 6th step, bhajaneshu spriya, means eagerness to worship Krishna, and that produces bhakti. And that's all comes under bhajana kriya. Because when bhakti, as we worship Krishna and study and serve Guru and Mahants, or great devotees, then Bhakti Devi descends in the heart and grows in the heart, the Bhakti Lata. Then, Nashta Prayeshu Abhadreshu, Nityam Bhagavata Sevya, Bhagavati Tamashloke, Bhaktir Bhavati Nashlaki. So this is the 7th step. This is, in this verse, 3 things are told. Bhakti comes, right? And what kind of bhakti? Then also says anartha apagama, disappearance of obstacles. That means anartha nivrti. And then nishta. So this verse, Nashta Pareshu Bhadreshu, which we sing every day before Bhagavatam class, this is saying that by regularly serving Bhagavats, devotees, and by regularly hearing Bhagavatam, that's why it's so important every day to read something of Bhagavatam, just a page or something. And regularly hearing Bhagavatam, then 3 things happen. One thing is that we develop bhakti, and we get abhadrani, inauspicious things, and the bad qualities in our heart disappear. And we start developing good qualities, saintly qualities, tolerance, peacefulness, purity, sense control, and compassion, and broad-mindedness, and all very good qualities develop. And then, because that's anartha nivritti, because all the obstacles, they go away. Nashta prayeshu abhadreshu. All that is abhadra becomes nasht, destroyed. And then nishta, naishtiki bhakti. So this verse is telling 3 steps of Vishnu's 14 steps to seeing God. Someone says, oh, I want to see God. Oftentimes people challenge devotees, I want to see God. Can you show me God? We say, yes, we can show you God in 14 steps. Are you willing to take 14 steps? You take so many steps to go to the movie theater, and so many steps to go to the liquor shop and the whiskey shop, and so many steps to go to work and go to the beauty parlor and go to the dress shop. But you only have to take 14 steps to see God. Right? Satam kripa, get the mercy of devotees by serving them. Mahatseva, service to devotees. Shraddha, Guru Parashraya, Bhajan, Bhajaneshu Spriha, eagerness to worship Krishna. Bhakti, devotion comes. Anartha Pakama, disappearance of obstacles, which means Sadhusanga, means Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajanakriya, and Anartha Nivritti. Then after Anartha Nivritti, Tata Nishta, steadiness.